everyone, have you ever tried eating insects or food made with insects? Now, what if I didn't tell you? Would you still be willing to try this patty, which actually contains insect powder? Today, we are diving into the food chemistry behind our Fear Factor patty, a product designed to deliver the nutritional benefits of insects, while improving the taste and appearance to win over even the most hesitant eaters. It all comes down to the science of cooking. Let's break it down.
First up, we have 15 grams of ground chicken. This is our main protein base. It gives the patty structure and familiar texture that we all love. Next, we have 7 grams of eggs. This little guy is our binder. It keeps all our ingredients together for the perfect patty consistency. Besides that, a bit of grated onions, about 4.5 grams, add moisture and subtle sweetness that balance the flavors beautifully. And let's not forget the 1 grams of minced garlics. It enhances the overall flavor profile with a nice gentle kick. Next up, 1.5 grams of olive oil. It keeps our patties juicy and helps us get the gorgeous golden stir during cooking. Lastly, here's the game changer, BBQ flavored insect powder. It's loaded with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and adds a unique savory flavor. We are using 10, 15, 20 grams for 3 different patties to see whether the difference in the amount added affect their texture and taste. Now for seasoning. Salt and black pepper to taste. Other than enhancing the flavor, they help adjust the taste based on how much insect powder you decide to use. And if the mixture turns out a bit too wet, don't worry. Just add breadcrumbs or flour as needed. It helps fine-tune the texture and makes forming the patties easier. So there you have it. Each ingredient plays a key role in making this dish delicious, nutrient-dense, and planet-friendly. Ready to taste the future? Let's get cooking.
Eggs and minced chickens are both rich sources of proteins, but what will actually happen to the proteins when we cook them? In eggs, the main protein is albumin, while minced chicken contains proteins such as myosin and lactin. When heat is applied during cooking, the weak bonds such as hydrogens and ionic bonds that hold the protein structures will start to break, causing the protein chains to unfold. This process is known as denaturation. Once denatured, the proteins start to coagulate. The unfolded proteins will rebond with each other and form a new network that is more stable and solid. As the egg proteins coagulates, it acts as a natural glue that holds the ingredients together and helps strengthen the structure of the patty. Meanwhile, the textures of the minced chickens will become firmer and denser as it cooks, giving the cooked patty that satisfying bite.
To make our insect-enriched chicken patties more appealing, we focus on improving both texture and flavoring, and moisture plays a key role. First, we add grated onion. Why? Because it's full of water. This not only keeps the patty moist, but also helps the protein absorb that moisture, resulting in a juicier and softer bite. Next, there's olive oil. A small amount makes a big difference. It adds healthy fats, retains moisture during cooling, and gives the patty a smooth and rich mouthfeel. Then, we use minced garlic and spice. While they don't add moisture, they help mask the strong earthy notes of insect powder by boosting the aromatic flavor profile. Together, these ingredients act as a natural enhancer, balancing out the darker color and flavor of insect powder, so we get a patty that is not only nutritious, but also delicious and consumer-friendly.
Now, once we form the shape of our patties, we start cooking them on a hot pan in olive oil. Over time, we will see a mild reaction taking place in the patties. How does mild reaction occur? It happens when free amino groups of amino acids and carbonyl groups of reducing sugars react under heat, forming brown nitrogenous polymers or melanoidins to create a golden brown crust. This enhances the flavor, aroma, and color of a product. Some sources of amino acids in our patties include chicken, egg, and the insect powder, whereas onions and breadcrumbs or flour provide an abundance of natural sugars. Mild reaction is crucial in our product because it masks the dark color of the insect powder and provides a delicious and umami-rich taste. Overall, this improves the consumer appeal of our patties.
This is the final look of our Fear Factor patty. With different amounts of insect powder added, they actually look the same. After taste testing, the champion patty goes to the one with 15 grams of insect powder. It had the best taste, was the juiciest and had the most balanced texture and appearance. And there you have it, the magic of food chemistry brings our fear factor patty to life. Protein denaturation and coagulation give it that meaty texture, while the Maillard reaction contributes to its delicious flavor and golden brown color. We added insect powder not just for shock value, but to boost nutrition. It's not so scary after all, right? So, back to the question we asked at the start. Would you take a bite of our fear factor patty now? Thanks for watching, and remember, science is delicious.